sleeping on the job. Not for real. Y'all know I gotta make y'all laugh. Stop playing. It's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. So I just finished making this wig. Look, I'm about to size it up, do a super crimp on it, a little side part, some baby hair. You know, I'm gonna hook it up. I was sent this hair by Black Tie Hair. It is a 13 by 6 frontal with 3 bundles of 18-inch wavy 1B hair. Look, and as y'all can see, I still got a whole bundle left. This hair is like super thick. I got a peanut head. Y'all know I got a size every week that I get. I only needed to use probably like one and a half included with the frontal because the frontal is extra thick. Yeah, so all the ordering information will also be in the description. Mention me, Sweet Pea, for extra 25% off. Now, oh, and if you guys want to see how good I'm gonna look after I install this hair, after I crimp it, click the card above or click the link in description. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my entertaining videos. And stop acting brand new. Leave a comment. Be like, hey, what's up? I subscribe. I support you. What's up? Bounce, baby. Yes, I am loving the way these crimps are bouncing and holding. I'm using Got To Be Glue Free Spray and some Heat Protector by Pantene. I'm starting off by spraying a quick spray of both of the products, then taking my desired piece of hair that I'm going to be crimping, running my comb through it once or twice and getting ready to crimp. I'm using the bed head crimpers from Amazon, starting off my crimp about 2.5 to 3 inches down with the hard part of the crimper facing the head so that your crimps are in a downward position like a cup. So basically, you're paying attention to how high up that you're going to start your crimps, because that's going to actually be your guideline of where you're going to start your second crimp off. You get it? So I'm holding the crimper on the hair about 10 to 15 seconds. Then as I move down, I'm placing the crimper at the end of the last crimp so that my pattern stays the same. I'm going to leave about 2 inches from the bottom alone. Then with a flip of my wrist, I'm going to turn my crimper over, holding the crimper about 2 to 3 seconds, just so that I get an extra crimp or two at the bottom. Now, you don't have to do this if you like. A lot of people leave about 3 or 4 inches straight at the bottom and uncrimped. This is perfectly up to you. Now I'm going to repeat the process. Get my piece of hair, spray my product, run my comb through it, and get ready to crimp. Now for the second piece, I'm trying to put the crimper on the hair in the same spot, if I can, as my last crimped piece, so that everything looks the same. All the crimps are even, all the lines are even. You just really have to take your time. Moving down, putting the crimper on the last crimped piece. And I'm giving the hair a little slack. I'm not pulling on the hair, making it straight as it cools. Now I'm getting ready to do my flip of the wrist and get about an extra crimp or two so it can go all the way down to the end. Another thing, you don't have to use holding spray or Got To Be Glue Free Spray. I plan on wearing this style for about 2 weeks, so I want my crimps to stay held for a while. If you want a softer look, don't use any holding spray. Just use your heat protector. And then at the end of your hairstyle, put a drip or two of oil in your hand, some oil sheen, and just lightly dust your hair and just watch that baby flow in the wind. I love crimps. Make sure you have some time to do this because it's kind of time consuming. I speeded up this video because I didn't want you to watch me crimping my hair for an entire hour. And if you guys are looking at that headband that's placed on the top of my wig head, I just parted out a little bit of baby hair and just got it laying down so that it won't get in the way of the other hair that I'm crimping. Once I finish, I'll remove it and then just have it out for baby hair when I get ready to do the installation. And if you love this hair as much as I love this hair, enjoy 25% off. All of the ordering information will be down below in the description area. All you have to do when you get ready to place your order is mention me, Sweet Pea, for 25% off. Now that's my thanks to you for being loyal followers and subscribers. Now I'm taking my hot comb and just trying to blend in the top areas of where my crimps start. Oh yes, I'm loving it, loving it. Now I'm not going to comb my crimps out yet, so it's just looking like this right now. But when I get ready to install it, baby, look, you'll see. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. Now here's a little close-up. Yes, I am loving it. Neat. The hair is holding. Oh my gosh, it's still bouncy. It's shiny because the hair is so healthy. I haven't even put any oil on it. Oh yes, I'm loving it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification button, please, so you guys can be updated. And leave a comment. Don't be acting brand new. Say hi. I subscribe. It would mean so much to me.